Hello, 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 hello. Welcome, welcome back. I'm just gonna write another little quick program here. World of Commodore. Oops. So what I have here is a program. It says 10 print quote World of Commodore quote semicolon colon go to 10, and there it is. Because the World of Commodore is coming. It is presented by the Toronto Pet Users Group. It's been going on for decades. Go to Google and search for World of Commodore 2025 for details. I know it's Saturday and Sunday. I know it's typically the first weekend in December, but anyway, search online for the latest and greatest updates. Indeed. I'm suspecting I will be there. I've had some challenges lately, but I'm suspecting I'll be there. Oh. So anyway, yes, the history of the World of Commodore used to be at the International Center. It was a massive show. Tens of thousands would descend upon the show for an opportunity to buy things that were oftentimes, marked down a bit. It was glorious. And there was new products and all kinds of, and you know what, even still today, there's new products, new adaptations, new things. Like, you can do SD card things these days. And I have things that I could do this, but I really haven't explored this, but I really need to get into it. Anyway, so go to Google, put in World of Commodore 2025. I'll put up more videos as I know more about what's going on. Have a lovely, lovely day. David Bradley in the TV room, signing off for now.